Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making banana bread. I found a classic recipe online that I'm going to link in the description below, and let's get started. So I have all my ingredients measured here. You need flour and maple syrup, some oil, milk, baking soda, and 2 ripe bananas. I'm going to cut and mash the bananas. Mashing the bananas, I'm going to add the oil, the eggs, and the vanilla in a large bowl. And the maple syrup. All these ingredients together. Now, the next step is to add the bananas to this bowl. And mix them together. Also add a 1/4 cup of milk to this same bowl. Another large bowl, I'm going to combine all my dry ingredients together. Next step is to add the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients all into one bowl. Finally, the last step is to add the batter into the pan. We are ready to put it in the oven for 1 hour to bake. The banana bread is finally ready. Now I'm going to let it completely cool so that when I cut it, it doesn't crumble. The banana bread is now ready to be sliced. It's super moist, it smells amazing, and it turned out perfect. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.